No ganja with Zion, yeah, man. No ganja with Zion, yeah, man. Listen the drum, the ancient beat. Heart of Jah can't skip a beat. Me feel it deep within me chest. Jah love manifest. Me close me eyes, me hear the tone. Me never alone. Me see the people torn apart, but love still start. Me sing for the broken one, cause Jah love shine like sun. The system cold and cruel, but me heart still rule. Rasta live for unity through community. Me walk with the humble man, help when me can. Me share the last bread me own. Me never alone. Every smile me give today, chase pain away. The rhythm call me name, Jah Flame. One heartbeat, one soul sound. Love keep we bound. No color, no race divide. Jah love inside. One heartbeat, strong and pure. Love endure. Together we rise and sing. Peace within everything. Me see the wicked plot and plan, but just still stand. Me no hate, me no fight. Me hold the light, me teach the youth for care. Fi always share, Rasta no sleep. Me watch, love me match. Me chant under the moon bright. Feel the light, me hear me ancestors on. Better days fi come, me lift my voice for truth. Me guide the youth, every heartbeat same. In Jah name, we one family, one sound. Jah love performance, no difference here. All equal clear. One heartbeat, one soul sound. Love keep we bound. No color, no race divide. Jah love inside. One heartbeat, strong and pure. Love endure. Together we rise and sing. Peace within everything. So when the silence falls, we still hear it call. One heartbeat, true. Jah live in me and you. Rise up, me people, this is for my brothers and sisters, yeah, man. Flow, mystic river flow, carry where we need to go. Me drop me pen up on the stream. Me chase me dream, Jah current pull me home. No need for roam. Me stand by the water edge, whisper my pledge. Guide me Jah through storm and rain. Wash me pain, the river sing a sacred song. Me sing along, my soul feel new again. Free from chain, me travel downstream slow, learning as me go. Each ripple teach me peace, all worry cease. The water cool me head, me spirit fed. Jah on inna the flow, now me know a mystic river roll. Cleanse me soul, carry me far, carry me free to Zion sea. Mystic river deep, secrets you keep, flow eternal strong. Where me belong, where me belong, where me belong. reflection of the sky, my spirit eye, every wave a sign from Jah. Blessed me arm, feel the healing star deep in my heart. The river whispers still, follow my will. Me bathe in the holy tide, my heart open wide. Me release what no belong, sing me song. Mystic river calm and wide, Jah inside, carry me truth away to brighter day. Me float and me pray, Jah guide me way. Mystic river speed, strength for the weak. Yeah, mystic river roll, cleanse my soul, carry me far, carry me free to Zion sea. Mystic river deep, secrets the key, flow eternal strong, where me belong, where me belong. So when my life turns slow, me let the current flow. Mystic river never end, forever my friend. Rasta man is higher man. Oh, through the valley soft and clear, voice of wind we always hear. Every whisper bold and true, voice of wisdom shining through. Babylon wall may block the ground, voice of wind still spread the sound. Every breeze a melody, voice of mercy set us free. Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah. Traveler stop and lift his head, voice of wind is what he said. Every current guide the way, voice of love begin to play. Storm may come and thunder roar, voice of peace remain in store. Every note of prophecy, voice of truth eternity. Elders sit upon the stone, voice of wind still make it known. Every story carried far, voice of mercy heal the scar. Children dance within the field, voice of hope the earth revealed. Every whisper bold and right, voice of Zion shine the light. Poet hear the sacred tone, voice of wind is not his own. Every line and every rhyme, voice of wisdom cross the time. Babylon fortress cannot stay, voice of truth will sweep away. Every echo strong and free, voice of mercy victory. Morning rise, the breeze so sweet, voice of wind at Zion feet. Every nation hear the call, voice of peace embrace us all. Even mountain bow to sound, voice of love shake the ground. Everlasting, pure and new, voice of justice shining through. Generation sing along, voice of wind compose the song. Every culture, every land, voice of mercy hand in hand. No corruption twist the tone, voice of truth forever shown. Every whisper bold and true, voice of Zion shine for you. Never ending, never small, voice of wind embrace us all. Sacred current, strong and free. Voice of love, eternity. Glorious anthem, pure and high. Voice of mercy, fill the sky. Everlasting, old and new. Voice of Zion, carry through. Blue, blue, strong and wide. Voice of wind, remove the pride. Sing, sing, melody. Voice of love, eternity. Voice of wind, bold and true. Carry your message for me and you. Never fading, never fall. Voice of mercy, guide us all. Forever blowing, strong and free. Voice of truth, eternity. Sacred anthem, pure and new. Voice of Zion, shining true.
Jah bless the people, yeah man. Oh, run.
High above the midnight sky, star of justice never die. Every glimmer, bold and true. Star reveal what man must do. Babylon shadows try to hide. Star of justice still will guide. Shining bright with holy flame. Star exalt the righteous name. Pilgrim look and find the way. Star of justice light the day. Every road so dark before. Star of mercy open door. No oppression cloud the view. Star of truth forever new. Every gleam of prophecy. Star of justice set we free. Ooh. Elder point to heaven's eye. Star of justice fill the sky. Children learn from light above. Star remind them Jah is love. Even stranger lost and blind. Star of mercy help them find. Every sparkle pure and bright. Star of peace guide through the night. Warrior lead the weapon down. Star of justice take the crown. Every battle soon will cease. Star of mercy shine in peace. Babylon fortress fade away. Star of truth reveal the day. Every nation come to see. Star of justice victory. Whoa, hey. Teachers speak with wisdom clear. Star of justice draw us near. Every lesson strong and right. Star of Zion give the sight. No more hatred, no more pain. Star of peace forever reign. Every glow a holy sign. Star of justice still divine. Morning come, the light still strong. Star of justice sing the song. Generations lift them hand. Star of truth across the land. Everlasting, never fall. Star of mercy guide us all. Sacred fire, bold and free. Star of justice victory. Eternal beacon shining bright. Star of justice rule the night. Never fading, never gone. Star of Zion still live on. Glorious flame forever pure. Star of truth will still endure. Everlasting, bold and free. Star of justice shine for me. Shine, shine, bright and clear. justice bold and bright, guide the people through the night. Never fading, never fall, star of mercy shine for all. Forever glowing, strong and free, star of justice victory. Sacred fire, pure and true, star of Zion light for you.
Gonna na da, na na na, gonna na da da, na ganja is the natural medicine, yeah, man. From the hilltop me chant, me no want, me no flaunt, me sing for the people, oh. Let the whole world know, freedom echo wide. Jah by my side, my voice rise from the dust full of trust. Me no bow to oppression and me stand. Me sing for justice true, me sing for you, every word me chant. Break ignorance plan. Me feel the chain still tight, but me bring light. My rhythm break the wall, free them all. Babylon no like me song, but me strong. Voice of freedom loud, lift the crowd. Voice of freedom cry, lift it to the sky. Every soul deserves to live, so me give. Voice of freedom strong, sing all night long, till the pain fade away. New day. Feel a fire, still me higher. Me sing for the lost and weak, truth me speak. Every note me send above, filled with love. Rasta guide my way, night and day. Me no silence me sound till peace found. Me chant from street to stage, across every age. Me carry the flame so bright, through the night. Voice of freedom rise again, heal the pain. Me sing for the voiceless still. Jah will, me call the youth for unite, hold the light. Voice of freedom cry, lift it to the sky. Every soul deserves to live, so me give. Voice of freedom strong, sing all night long, till the pain fade away. New day. So when we're gone from earth, remember the word. Voice of freedom remain, true joy and pain.
Zion reggae, yeah, man. Me dip on Jah Highway, winding on me face, traveling light through this human race. Every mile teach me new truth fi learn. Inna the fire, me spirit burn. Me hear the river low. Jah guide me where fi go. Me start from the ghetto lane, carry the joy, carry the pain. Me no rich but me soul feel tall. Jah blessings overall, them try fi pull me off the road. Me still carry Jah load, each breath me take a chant. Faith abundant, me see the sign say love ahead. So me drop me dread pan bed, no vanity pan this ride. Just truth inside me, try through storm, me try through flame. Still call Jah name, every curve me bend with care. cause Jah dey everywhere. Jah Highway me trod, guided by the hand of God. Through the valley, through the fight, me follow the light. Jah Highway me roll, clean me heart, heal me soul. No matter where me roam, Jah road me home. Me pass by the ones still lost, them pay the cost. Me stop and share a song, help them strong. The journey long but me no tire. Jah give the fire, every mile me bless. No stress, me look on the horizon red. Hope ahead, me feel Jah breeze embrace. Peaceful place, me drive through life with grace. No ace, me leave behind the fear. Me Jah near, me no speed, me no slow. Me move out just if you go. Every road lead home one day to Zion way. Jah Highway me trod, guided by the hand of God. Through the valley, through the fight, me follow the light. Jah Highway me roll, clean me heart, heal me soul. No matter where me roam, Jah road me home. Ocean of Zion open wide, every wave a sacred hymn, flow from Jah and flow within. Babylon try to build a dam, but ocean stronger than a man. Every drop a holy flame, ocean carry Jah name. Fisherman chant upon the sea, ocean of Zion set him free. Children swim and dolphins play, ocean guide the righteous way. Not of greed, not of war, ocean carry love ashore. Every tide a holy song, ocean flow forever long. Storm may rise and ships may fall, ocean still embrace us all. No iron chain can bind the wave, ocean strong, the people say. Rivers run from mountain high, ocean meet the open sky. Endless circle truth remain, ocean wash away the pain. Travel far from shore to shore, ocean show Jah evermore. Ancient mariner, lift the hand, ocean guide him to the land. Babylon fleet may boast and roar, but ocean crush them to the floor. Jah creation pure and white, ocean of Zion rising tide. Songs of waves beneath the deep, ocean sing while people sleep. Every creature great and small, ocean cradle carry all. No beginning, no end to see, ocean chant eternity. Everlasting, never gone, ocean sing Jah holy song. Flow, flow mighty tide, carry people far and wide. Wash the sorrow, cleanse the land, ocean moved by Jah hand. Ocean of Zion wide and strong, carry the people all along. From the river to the sea, ocean chant eternity, forever flowing pure and free. Ocean guide humanity. No, Zion reggae, yeah, man. Flowing pure from Zion Hill, river run by Jah will. Cool the land, refresh the heart, wash away the wicked part. Every wave a blessing send, every stream a truth to men. River of Jah never dry, carry peace it pass by. River of Jah love, deep and wide, wash the soul from pain inside. Flow through valley, climb the plain, bring the joy through sun and rain. It touched the root, it feed the tree, it set the hungry spirit free. It called the thirsty, come and take, drink the water Jah create. From holy spring to ocean deep, river run while prophets sleep. No stone, no dam can hold the flow. River of Jah forever go. It healed the wounds of war and hate. It opened up the Zion gate. It carries song from shore to shore, sing of love forevermore. It washed the chain from hand and mind, leave the truth and peace behind. Every ripple tell the tale of how Jah love will never fail. Me walk along the riverside, hear the water prophesy. It say hold firm, don't lose the fight, keep the faith in Jah's true light. It teach the youth to share and care, to guard the earth and keep it fair. River run with righteous plan, flow for every woman, man. When the moon reflects so bright, river glow in Jah light. From dawn again till evening fade, river sing what Jah has made. It never cease, it never bend. River run from start to end, carry blessing from above. River of eternal love, flow high, flow far, carry Jah true to who we are. From spring to sea, from rain to tide, river of love will ever guide. No wall, no fear can make it stop. River of Jah overflow drop. River of Jah love, deep and wide, wash the soul from pain inside. Flow through valley, climb the plain, bring the joy through sun and rain. From mountain crown to ocean floor, river of Jah forever pour. River of Jah love, breathe and life, wash the soul from pain inside. Na Zion, Raga King, yeah, man. Endless tide upon the shore, ocean whisper ancient lore. Every wave a sacred song, ocean chant the whole day long. Babylon ships may rise and fall, ocean still embrace them all. Deep and boundless, bold and free, ocean teach eternity. Fisherman cast net so wide, ocean bless the daily tide. guide every creature, great and small. Ocean care for one and all. Stormy rage and thunder roar. Ocean calm the soul once more. Every drop a holy sign. Ocean carry love divine. Elders sit beside the sea. Ocean sing of prophecy. From creation, first of days. Ocean flow in righteous ways. Even stranger, lost and weak. Ocean guide the truth them seek. Every current, strong and clear. Ocean wash away the fear. Child of Zion, build a boat. Ocean help it stay afloat. Every journey, every mile. Ocean blessed with holy style. No corruption, bend the tide. Ocean hold the truth inside. Every ripple, pure and true. Ocean sing for me and you. In Sunday line, ocean make the words divine. Every verse a melody. Ocean eternity. Morning light reflects so bright. Ocean blaze with Jah light. Everlasting, bold and free. Ocean hold the mystery. Babylon walls may try divide. Ocean still forever wide. Generation rise and pray. Ocean guide them every day. No more hunger, no more war. Ocean bless the world once more. Sacred water strong and deep. Ocean never fall asleep. From the mountain to the coast. Ocean guard the Holy Ghost. Never ending, never small. Ocean rise above it all. Everlasting, pure and true. Ocean flow for me and you. Boundless mercy shining bright. Ocean glow in Zion light. Flow, flow, deep and strong. Ocean sing the righteous song. Rise, rise, mighty flame. Ocean glorify your name. Ocean of wisdom, vast and free. Carry the people to destiny. Never ending, never fall. Ocean open for one and all. Forever shining, bold and pure. Ocean truth will still endure. Sacred water, strong and wide. Ocean wash the foolish pride. Give Rasta the sweat, cause you man. In a Zion grow the tree, roots of love eternally. It stretched to heaven, touch the sky. Zion tree will never die. Branches strong, branches wide. Zion tree forever guide. Eternal growing, pure and free. Zion tree protect me. Zion tree roots so deep. Shade the humble, shade the sheep. Fruit of love and fruit of peace. Zion tree brings sweet release. It bless the children, bless the meek. Zion tree all people seek. Forever holy, never fall. Zion tree fi one and all. It stand through stormy
it stand true flame. Zion tree, exalt Jah name. Eternal branches strong and tall. Zion tree, protect we all. Me sit beneath the holy shade. Zion tree Jah hand has made. It give me comfort, give me rest. Zion tree Jah truly blessed. Forever growing, never cease. Zion tree bring Jah peace. From mountain high to valley low. Zion tree forever grow. No Babylon can cut it down. Zion tree wear holy crown. It grow eternal, never dry. Zion tree reach to the sky. Forever fruitful, strong and free. Zion tree eternity. Holy shelter, pure and true. Zion tree for me and you. When the trumpet sound again, Zion tree still remain. Forever standing, never gone. Zion tree forever strong. It called the nations, called them near. Zion tree forever here. Holy growing, pure and free. Zion tree eternity, grow strong, grow wide. Zion tree forever guide. No chain, no axe can cut away. Zion tree forever stay. Zion tree, roots so deep. Shed the humble, shed the sheep. Fruit of love and fruit of peace. Zion tree brings sweet release. From age to age, from day to night. Zion tree forever light. Aye, Zion reggae, I'm on. At Zion's gate, the righteous stand. Just stretch forth his holy hand. It open wide, it open true. Zion's gate for me and you. No Babylon can bar the way. Zion's gate forever stay. Eternal entrance, pure and strong. Zion's gate, a holy song. Zion's gate, open wide. Jah forever be me guide. Through the doorway, light shall flow. Zion's gate, we all shall go. Welcome humble, welcome meek. Zion's gate, all people seek. Forever open, never close. Zion's gate, Jah love disclose. It shine with gold, it shine with flame. Zion's gate, exalt Jah name. Eternal pathway, bright and free. Zion's gate, for you and me. Me walk the road, me hear the call. Zion's gate, for one and all. No man denied, no chain can bind. Zion's gate, for all mankind. Forever holy, never still. Zion's gate, Jah holy will. From mountain high to valley low, Zion's gate, the path we know. It guide the nations, guide the earth. Zion's gate of holy birth, forever shining, never dim. Zion's gate, eternal hymn. It welcome child, it welcome all. Zion's gate, more bright than gold. Eternal open, strong and tall. Zion's gate, for one and all. When the trumpet sound again, Zion's gate still remain. It open wide, it never cease. Zion's gate, eternal peace, forever shining, pure and true. Zion's gate, for me and you. Holy entrance, flame of light. Zion's gate, forever bright. Step in, step through. Zion's gate, forever new. No bar, no lock can stop the way. Zion's gate, forever stay. Zion's gate, open wide. Jah forever be me guide. Through the doorway, light shall flow. Zion's gate, we all shall go. From age to age, from night to day, Zion's gate, the righteous way.
Na 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 na. Jah bless the people, yeah man. Yeah. Me rise before the sun, silence in the air. Wrap me dread, wash me face, chant a little prayer. Ganja leaf in a hand, heart in a calm. Me step in a nature, far from harm. Birds a sing, breeze a blow. Me sit on rock where cool rivers flow. Me born one, give thanks to Jah. For life, for breath, for every star.
Secret fire,
Blaze it high, chant down illusion, reach the sky. Sacred fire, burn them light. Truth arise and Babylon cry. Sacred fire, cleanse the soul. In a Zion flame we feel whole. Me listen deep to me heartbeat drum. Ancient call from where me roots come from. Me not chase gold, me not chase fame. Me chase wisdom, real Rasta aim. Meditation, deep like sea. Mystic rhythm running through me tree. Smoke curl like spiral sign. Me vision bright, me soul aligned. Oh Jah, guide me step from concrete stress to mountain depth. Me inhale breath, exhale fear. Me feel your presence, Jah Jah near. Fire, blaze it high.
Rasta light never die.
Sacred fire,
Still my mind, inner peace is what I find.
sacred fire,
Show the way, one love, one heart every day.
she sit beside eyes so close. Hands on heart, her spirit glows. Together we chant, together we feel that real love, that
Rasta seal. Children gather, elders we beat the drum till Babylon done. Sacred flame in every song. We burn illusion, we stay strong. This fire no burn skin, it burns sin, ego and lie within. It show you who you are, from earth to star, from near to far. Sacred fire, carry we home. In a Zion, we freely roam. Smoke rise, mind clear. One love, one life, Jah always near. Kaya smoke with Zion Raga, yeah, man. In the garden tall and wide, sacred tree of Zion high, roots so deep in holy ground, branches spread for miles around. Every leaf a story tell. Sacred tree, remember well. Babylon fire can't consume. Sacred tree forever bloom. Children play beneath the shade. Sacred tree where peace is made. Elders sit and chant a song. Sacred tree keep people strong. Not in palace, not in throne. Sacred tree forever known. Every fruit a gift from Jah. Sacred tree uphold the law. Birds a sing upon the limb. Sacred tree, a righteous aim. River flow beside the root. Sacred tree bear holy fruit. Generations come and go. Sacred tree still grow and grow. Never bending, never gone. Sacred tree keep carrying on. Still the tree of Zion cling, not of timber, not of gold. Sacred tree the prophets told. Every shade a place of rest. Sacred tree protect the blessed. Babylon plan can't destroy. Sacred tree bring Jah joy. Children climb and mothers pray. Sacred tree show righteous way. Fathers chant and nations bow. Sacred tree forever now. From creation till today. Sacred tree guide every way. Everlasting, strong and free. Zion root in sacred tree.
No, no, no. Kingston cushion on me long brother. Beat the drum, the heartbeat sound. Drums of Zion shake the ground. Every nation hear the call. Drums of Jah unite them all. Not in weapon, not in gun, but in drum the victory won. Every rhythm, every tone. Drums connect the flesh and bone. Children gather, circle round. Drums of nations shake the town. Elder chant, young ones dance. Drums of Zion give a chance. No division, no more fight. Drums of Zion bring the light. From the east unto the west, drums proclaim the righteous best. Africa call, Jamaica sing. Drums of nations echo ring. India, Asia, island shore. Drums of Zion evermore. Every people, every tribe. Drums of Zion keep alive. Not a border, not a wall. Drums of Zion break them all. Night and fire, morning sun. Drums of nations beat as one. Every echo, every sound. Drums of Zion still resound. Babylon system can't withstand. Drums beat strong by Jah. Generation after time, drums still chant the sacred rhyme. Spirit lift me soul arise. Drums of Zion fill the skies. Every step become a prayer. Drums remind your people care. From creation till today, drums of nations guide the way. Everlasting, pure and free. Drums of Zion unity. Beat, beat, drum of fire. Lift the people higher and higher. Drums of nations beat along. Carry Zion holy song. Drums of nations loud and strong. Unite the people all along. Every heartbeat, every tone. Drums of Zion call we home. Forever beating true and free. Drums of Zion unity.
Na 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 na, Zion reggae. Na 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 na, Zion reggae.
Bloom so bright in morning dew. Garden grow with life anew. Every flower a root to leaf. Garden bring just soul relief.